Hello Queens, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel, Osi Lodge, a channel that always brings to you latest and trending hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, please do join us today. Okay, hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your bell notification so you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them in the channel. Of course, they don't want to miss our style. We'll bring nothing but most stylish and trending nails ideas and hairstyles. So if you want to stay updated on latest nail trend, then here is your go-to destination. So join us today and trust me, you'll be happy. And today guys is not an exception, for we have carefully selected gorgeous nails ideas for you. These are very simple and unique nail art designs, very cute and elegant. So you can rock these nails to any occasion of your choice, like wedding, birthday parties. You can rock it to, even child dedication, and be looking all good and gorgeous. So guys, do watch it to the end, select your favorites, and also share to your family and friends so they can be part of the video. I mean, you don't want them to miss this amazing nail collections, so please share it to them and they will thank you, of course. So guys, do support us by liking and sharing this video. Okay, just give it a thumbs up and also drop your lovely comment section. Tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. And please, if you have any other video ideas I want us to bring to this channel, sure, we are open to that. So just drop in the comment section, tell us how you want it, and we'll be there to reply you. And to you, my returning viewers, God bless you all, and please keep engaging on our videos. Trust me, we do not take for granted. We love and appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much and keep watching.